Yo, doing earn by time this morning. Current rate is $17 an hour, and we got the first order. This is Champ Pizza going just under 6 miles. Thank you. I didn't even see what these were. What is a crostini? Total for that one ended up being $8. Not a bad start. Next order up, we got a Muchas Gracias going 6.5 miles. Hello. Thank you. Total for that was $9 and change. Pretty good. Next up, we've got a kitchen table cafe. This one is going 7 miles.
You're like, wait a minute. Okay.
Thank you.
Of course, have a good one.
You too. There you are.
Thanks, brother.
Yep. Have a good one. Almost messed up that drop off, but in my defense, the building numbers on the side of the building, they were not accurate to where the doors were located. But whatever. Total for that one was $11. Nice. Next order up, we've got a Jack in the Box. This one's going to be 3.5 miles. Thank you. Total for that one was $5. Next order up, we've got a Champ Pizza. This one is going 7 miles, but there's always a but. It's going across the river, so it might as well be 14 miles because I got to come all the way back. So what are the odds that this order is going to be at least $14 to make it worth it? Actually, now that I'm looking at it, it's got a decent amount of food on it, so there might be a good tip on it as well. Maybe. Thank you. Okay, that took us 40 minutes and it was $20. So I guess worth. Next up, we've got an order for Taqueria Don Jose. I think this one was going 7 miles. Oh, this is the taco truck. I drive by this place all the time. I just did not know the name of it. Hello.
Hi.
Picking up for Larissa.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Total for that one was $11. Next order up, we've got a Wendy's going 3 miles.
Have a good day.
Thank you. Steven? I didn't even see how much I got paid for that because I got the next order right away. This is McDonald's going 5.5 miles.
Hello.
Hello. Well, I'm in the middle of nowhere, so I don't have service, and I can't complete the order, so I don't know how much I got paid. Again, 0 tip on that one. Total ended up being $5. Ooh. Ooh, can it not rain right now? Because I'm not wearing rain clothes. There's got to be something wrong with this order, but I'm gonna take the chance. This is a shop and deliver for Target. $22 going 8 miles, 3 items. Either the store's closed or those items are not available. Someone's already tried this and given up. I don't know. Let's go. Excuse me, where would I find energy drinks? Sorry to bother you one more time. Protein bars? Quest protein?
Protein, oh yeah. Okay, probably from the pharmacy, back here. From the pharmacy?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
Okay.
from the pharmacy, yeah.
This one?
Sure. Yeah, that looks good.
Thank you.
See you again soon.
Okay, I think that was all base pay, and they didn't tip at all. That's actually a really good thing because I was kind of worried my pay was going to be affected by their Monster not being available. That was a really good order. Next up, we've got a Muchas Gracias. This is $8 going less than 2 miles.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Next up, we've got a McDonald's. This one's going to be $7 going less than 3 miles.
There's one for you.
Thank you. Okay, I'm done. It is hot. And I'm over here in a long sleeve and jeans. Current time's 11:36. Total, if I get the full payout from that one Uber that I did a couple trips ago, should be, I think, 113. But yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.